Hello, I'm Wave. This is an end term, namely Adobe Photoshop quiz. In this video, I'll ask you some questions and you have to answer the following option. First question. What is the extension file name in Adobe Photoshop? Is it BMP, PSD, TIFF, or TXT? The answer is PSD when you save as a Photoshop document. Second question, what is the shortcut key to duplicate a layer? Is it Ctrl and A, Ctrl and D, Ctrl and J, or Ctrl and V? The answer is Ctrl and J. This duplicates a layer when you select one or more layers. Third question, to fill in the blanks, to apply image effects, click on blank option. Is it Filter, Image, Layer, or Select? The answer is Filter option when you click on may contain various image effects. Fourth question, the image is made of square pixels. True or false? The statement is true because pixel has color dimensions of RGB. Fifth question, which is not a correct form of color dimension? Is it CMYK, HLS, LAB, or RYB? The answer is RYB, meant to be red, yellow, and blue, used for primary colors for painting, not for the pixel colors. And sixth question, to adjust the size of a canvas, which option you have to click? Is it Image option and then Adjustments, Image option and then Canvas size, Image option and then Image size, or Image option and then Mode? The answer is Image option and then Canvas size. The dialog box for the canvas size appears and you can make changes of size. So, this video is about Photoshop quiz. Like, comment, and subscribe now.